So already we will discuss about lattice, basis and crystal structure. So I'll give you once again what is lattice, because lattice are the points. It is a in the three-dimensional space. It is the particular arrangement of the space which constitute the entire crystal structure. So it is the discrete but indefinite regular arrangement of points in a vector space, in a three-dimensional vector space. This is the points, this is the space only, there is no atoms. But if we place any atom at this point, if we place any atom at this point, these atoms are the basis for the vectors. So the lattice mainly frame the space at which the atoms should reside in order to occupy a regular periodic arrangement of atoms to form the crystal structure. So this is your lattice. Again, basis is the atoms which present at the lattice point, and lattice plus basis is equal to your crystal structure. So another term is there, Bravais lattice. That is, Bravais lattice means this is a very important term in solid state physics, that exhibit a discrete translational symmetry. Why translational symmetry? Because we know that whenever we consider the Cartesian coordinate system and molecules or atoms that travel in one direction, that may follow some translational motion, and that translational motion that can be explained by a translational vector. They can be moved in x, y and z direction. So there the displacement part is given by the scalar, and the displacement part is given by the scalar, and your direction is given by the translational vectors. See here, the translational vector, one lattice is there whose translational vector is t is equal to ma1 vector plus na2 vector plus a3 vector. These m, n, o, these are integers. These show only the distance by which they are displaced from their reference point. A1, A2, A3, these are called the translation vector, and they are in the x, y and z direction. And that translation vectors, after this translation vector, that means there is some kind of motion in a particular direction, but that cannot affect the geometry of the lattice. A lattice can be characterized in this way, that is referred to as a Bravais lattice. All the lattice points are equivalent, that is all properties remain invariant under translation by any vector t. Here t is your translation vector. Also, the specific lattice point would see the same environment as when sitting on any other. However, if there are lattice points with different environment, they cannot form a Bravais lattice. So see, आउथरे कहि रखुची, गोटे लाटिस देखुची पर्टिकुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ स्पेस. लाटिसटा तुम देख, जदि गोटे क्यूब कि गोटे स्क्वायर भाया जिनस तुम देखुच, से जो चारिटा कॉर्नर रोचे, जो पॉइंट्स रोचे, से गुड़ा हूँ लाटिस पॉइंट. से जगह जो आटम्स रोचे सेटा हूँ बेसिस. आतापर से जगह जो माने लाटिस प्लस बेसिस क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर हो. ब्राभिस लाटिस आम क्या कहे, ट्रांसलेशन हो सारा पर ज्योमेट्री रे जदि किसी डिफरेंस न रोचे, ट्रांसलेशन हो सारा पर, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर दिस ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर t इज इक्वल टू m1 am1 n a2 o a3 हो सारा पर, तथापि भी जदि से ज्योमेट्री तार कन्स्टांट रोचे, इक्विवेलेंट रोचे, ताहले से भाया लाटिस को आम कहे ब्राभाइस लाटिस. सो जो डायरेक्शन भी आम जदि से क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर को से लाटिस रो अरेंजमेंट को स्टडी करवा, दैट विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट, पूरा कांस्टेंट ही से रहिबो, किछि ता देरे अलगा किछि हबनी. ठीक अछि. सो if there is any change in the environment, they cannot form a Bravais lattice. They may be lattice, जदि डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन देखिले तार ज्योमेट्री अलग अलग दिशुची, ताले आमे ताको लाटिस कहि परिबा, बट दे कैन नॉट be regarded as your Bravais lattice. Bravais lattice सेतବେଳେ କୁହାହବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ट्रांसलेशन ହେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ବି ସେଇ ज्योमेट्री मेंटेन हबो, एनी डायरेक्शन रो देखिले भी से ज्योमेट्री मेंटेन हबो. Again another term will be there, primitive translation vector. Very important, primitive translation vector. The linear independent generating vectors AI. AI means that may be A1, A2, A3, A4 like that. AI of the translation are called primitive translation vectors or primitive lattice vector. However, for a given lattice, the choice of the primitive vectors, primitive translational vectors or primitive lattice vectors. For a given lattice, the choice of the primitive translation vector is not unique. For a given lattice, primitive translation vector is not unique. Unique माने गोटे हेई नथिबो, that may vary. And A1, A2, A3, that also the values may also vary. The linear independent generating vectors AI of the translation are called primitive translation vectors or primitive lattice vectors. So a figure दिया है देखो पहले, there are some dots, orange dots are there. They are very equivalent. They are regularly arranged from each other. Distance between them are same. So if we consider only one point as a reference and we'll give any direction towards another point, जमती कि सेकेंड लेयर रे देखो A1 वेक्टर दिखाई, A2 वेक्टर दिखाई, सिमिलरली ग्रीन रे जोटा अच्छी अगेन ब्लू कलर रे दिखाई A1 A2. सो कंसीडरिंग ए रेफरेंस पॉइंट दुईपट डायरेक्शन को A1 A2 दिखाई पार्छ. These A1 A2, these vectors are called your primitive translation vectors. Why? Because these are starting from a reference point and from a conjugative पॉइंट्स, जो पॉइंट्स गुड़ा जॉइंट कराई दे आर कंजुगेटिव. ऊपर जो निया जो ट्रांसलेशन खाली जदि आम ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर कहे, दीज आर नॉट ऑलवेज कंजुगेटिव. दे मे ऑल्सो एक्सटेंड 2 or 3 स्टेप्स. एठू जदि आम सेकेंड रु थर्ड फोर्थ पॉइंट को जॉइंट करवा ताको आम गोटे ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर कहीपर. बट प्रिमिटिव ट्रांसलेशन कहीपर. प्रिमिटिव ट्रांसलेशन से कह जो दुटा साइड बाय साइड आटम्स पूरा निजे लगा लगी होती से भाया आटम्स को जदि करें प्रिमिटिव ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर कहवा. सो एनी टू लिनियर इंडिपेंडेंट वेक्टर्स A1 A2 form a basis and can be used as generators for a two-dimensional lattice. जेमिति एटा two-dimensional lattice करा होची, that can also be extended into your three-dimensional lattice. थ्री डायमेंशन आम जोटा पढ़ुचे नॉर्मल जोटा थ्री डायमेंशनल लैटिस रे ही पढ़ुचे, बट हियर इट इज ओनली फिगर आउट कराई गोटे तुम टू डायमेंशन. नेक्स्ट सी व्हाट इज यूनिट सेल. दिस यूनिट सेल इट इज ए स्मॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ योर क्रिस्टल. The structure of the crystal can be seen to be composed of a repeated element in three dimensions. जमती तो गोटे सिंपल एग्जांपल देकी पिले कहली तुमको गोटे घर तैयारी करने आमको गोटे इटा दरकार पड़ुଛି. गोटे इटारे तैयारी होनी, नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स आर जॉइंट एंड दे विल फॉर्म द एंटायर हाउस. सो इफ वन brick will consider, that is your unit cell, and if the total house which is made up of number of bricks, this is called your crystal structure. So the repeated elements, because all the bricks they are same or uniform in their configuration, and again they are repeating, a repeating regular arrangement will form a wall. So the repeated element is known as the unit cell. It is the building block of the crystal structure. We define the unit cell in terms of the lattice, because unit cell तैयारी करबा पई हेले we need lattice, because first we have to decide which points are to be chosen where the atoms should be placed, that is your lattice point. So after joining this lattice point, some atoms are placed, and after joined all those atoms, that will form a three-dimensional structure, that is called your unit cell. This is a set of identical points. In three dimension, the unit cell is any parallelepiped whose vertices are lattice points, and the atoms which are present at the lattice point, these are the bases. Or if we consider 2D case, that will give you any parallelogram. So what it means, there are infinitely number of possible unit cell, because see, we have a crystal and this unit cell is the smallest building block. ଯେମିତି କି ଗୋଟେ ଇଟାକୁ ନେଇକି ଟୋଟାଲ ଘର ତିଆରି ହେଇପାରୁନି, we need a number of bricks for that. Similarly, we need infinitely more number of unit cell to construct the entire crystal structure. So mainly unit cell ଦୁଇ प्रकार अछि, one is primitive, another one is non primitive. Primitive unit cell आमे काहको कहूचे, जो unit cell रे only corner point रे, corner lattice point रे only one lattice points thibo and those are in the corner. So look at the figure, we see the first figure, only at the corner point we have the lattice points and only one lattice points which is made up of from the lattice point each of the corner. Non primitive unit cell कहले corner points को join करे over unit cell दबा, still there are some additional point. Look at the second figure, four corners joined, that will give you the unit cell, and one point which is reside on the inside this, that is remain, that is your non primitive unit cell. See, this is the structure and here it is the same definition, and this is your crystal structure, entire crystal structure, and the first block which is already colored in blue, that is your one unit cell, and you can see that all the unit cell are consecutively joined with each other to form the entire crystal structure. If we separately see the unit cell, see, if we consider this point, this initial point from which x, y and z direction will be given. This point is your reference point. Suppose a, b and c is the component of the vectors or the integer by which it can be shown how much distance covered by the atoms or molecules at this direction. So these are the integers, and alpha, beta and gamma, these are the angles. These are the angles between the consecutive axes. So unit cell occur in many different varieties. One example is there are some example, your simple cubic. Look at the first figure. Simple cubic means the cubic we have already know from the simplest cubic we draw in a 3D case. It consists of 4 points. If we join the 4 points, that will give you the simple cubic. Second one is your face centered cubic. At the face center, you can see that 4 and 4, 8 corner points are there. Again, in a cube, how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there, and they each are facing to each other. So besides the corner points, another points are present at its face. So see, yellow points are the corner points and the red points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 face points. So this is your face centered cubic. Another one is your body center. What it means, this is the total unit cell. There are just body ro mojhire gote point right. You can see that the yellow points are the corner points, and the one single point which is present only at the middle, that is your body centered cubic. So 3 unit cell of the cubic crystal system. These are the basic unit cell each. Uh, and if we consider atoms or molecules in place of these dots, so each sphere, if you consider in the form of a sphere, each sphere represents an atom and ion. In the simplest cubic, ions are at corner, unit cell only. In the body center, at the middle only. In the face center, at each of its face. So the atoms or ions at the edge of each face or at the corner are not complete spheres. Those are present at the corner, they are not complete sphere, but this is a part of a sphere. That means that is shared. There is a complete sphere, but in this unit cell, some part of the sphere will be attached. So in the simple cubic, each corner atom is shared by 8 different unit cells. How? If we consider there are how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are present in a simple cubic. So if we attached one sphere to one କର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଗୋଟେ କର୍ଣ୍ଣରରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛେ ତା ସହିତ କେତେଟା ଲାଗିପାରିବ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଗିପାରିବ ସେଠି ଏମିତି 8ଟା କର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଅଛି ତାମାନେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପିୟର ଆମେ ନେଉଛେ ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ସ୍ପିୟର ନଟ୍ ଏ ସର୍କଲ୍ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ କନସିଡର ଏ ସ୍ପିୟର ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଦେଖୁଛେ ସେ ସ୍ପିୟର ଅଧା ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ନା ସେ ସ୍ପିୟର ଯଦି ଆମେ ନେଉଛେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପିୟର 8ଟା ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ यूनिट सेल रे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होइछि द सेम सिचुएशन एग्जिस्ट फॉर द कॉर्नर पार्टिकल्स इन द फेस सेंटर्ड एंड बॉडी सेंटर्ड इन एडिशन फेस सेंटर्ड रे एक्स्ट्रा गोटे रहिबो कोन ना फेस सेंटर गोटे फेस रे भी रहिछि त माने गोटे फेस रा आ गोटे फेस दिटा जॉइंट हेतिबो ना गोटे फेस आ गोटे फेस जॉइंट हेतिबो एटी फिगर टी को देखो एटी 8 कॉर्नर्स अछि जोटी क्रिस्टल लैटिस लिखा अछि 8 कॉर्नर्स अछि सब पॉइंट्स रे रहिला गोटे गोटे ठीक अछि एगेन फेस रे गोटे रहिबो और से फेस रो जो पॉइंट से फर्स्ट यूनिट सेल ता सहित ऊपर जो यूनिट सेलटा ता सहित लागि किथिबो ता द्वारा भी शेयर हबो सो कॉर्नर 8 कॉर्नर सहित शेयर हबा सहित दुईटा फेस रे भी शेयर हबो बॉडी सेंटर्ड रे कोन हबो द बॉडी सेंटर्ड रे एक्चुअली द पॉइंट प्रेजेंट ओनली एट द मिडिल ऑफ द सेल व्हिच इज ऑफ कंटेंट एंटायरली इन दैट सेल त माने से मझिरे जेतु प्रेजेंट अछि से केवल सेही यूनिट सेल रे ही हे पारे besides that any other many more structures are also available and we will see in the next class.